Anong security ba? Sabi niya, you need to come because I need a lawyer. So pagdating ko dito, I told them I'm the lawyer. Pumasok ako, and then I read the order. And then while I was reading the first order, another order came in. And then, nakita ko doon sa order nila na parang by unanimous vote, parang ganyan. And then sa akin naman, parang paano kayo nag-meeting? Wala nga kayong trabaho pag Friday. Sobra kahayahay ninyo ng mga tao. Kaming lahat, sa Office of the Vice President, Monday to Friday ang mga trabaho namin. Sa ibang opisina, Monday to Friday. I'm not saying na bawal yan. But, alam mo yon, that is something that civil service should think about. May mga opisina ng gobyerno, 4 na araw lang pumapasok. Yung iba, 5 araw pumapasok. Nandyan sa daan, sa init, sa ulan, nandun sa bundok, naglalakad, tumatawid ng mga sapa, Monday to Friday, mga government employees. And then we have a House of Representatives. Monday to Thursday lang ang trabaho. The civil service should rethink that. Ganyan. So anyway, wala sila. Wala silang trabaho. So hinahanap ko, where is this special doon sa order? Where is this special committee meeting that happened? Because they need the permission of the majority leader and the speaker. Kasi nga walang trabaho eh. So kailangan nila ng permission. Walang nakalagay doon. So how is that a legal order? Tapos nakalagay pa sa second order nila, I violated security regulations when I visited. Before ako pumupunta dito, pinapaklear ko yung oras ko.